Today's challenge is all about letting go. No plan, no rules, just raw creativity. Abstract expressionism and painting with no plan. I'm diving into an abstract expression today where there's no right or wrong. Will it be a masterpiece? Who knows? But that's the fun part. For me, the hardest part today was getting started. There were so many distractions. It felt like a never-ending task. Sometimes getting painting is going to be hard. And today I had no plan. But once I put that first stripe down, the flow started to happen. And at one stage I thought, but what if I just skip today entirely? But then I thought, I can't do that. What happens when you let your instincts take over and just go with the flow? Abstract expressionism is all about emotion and movement. There's no roadmap. Today we're just focusing on freedom and energy and whatever feels right. So I felt like I needed a timeout. So I dove into this blue. And then I thought, where is the calmest place I could find? And that is the ocean. If you've ever sat at the ocean and just watched the waves, it's really peaceful. It's sunny, sand is soft. Well, at least where I am, the sand is very soft. The ocean is blue, it's refreshing, there's a slight breeze. And as spring comes to life, because I'm in the southern hemisphere, we're spring at the moment, the weather is beautiful. And we're just enjoying the moment. So going into that blue and just painting the ocean in an abstract way, attacking that canvas with loose, uninhibited brushstrokes, dripping paint, random splashes of color. We're just experimenting. So when you paint without a plan, you open yourself up to happy accidents. Colors blend in ways you didn't expect. New forms emerge, and that's the beauty of it. Every stroke is a reaction to the last one. It's a conversation between you and the canvas with no expectations. So when you're painting abstract, it's less about the final product and more about the journey. I'm switching up my colors, my brushes, doing different colors and different brushes, different shades of blue at least. And I'm just experimenting, smudging the paint, scratching the surface. Every new mark adds depth. The key to abstract expressionism is to trust yourself. Let the process guide you. I'm letting go of control and following whatever the paint wants me to do. Painting without a plan used to scare me. I used to sketch before I started. And then I thought to myself, what if we just don't sketch? What if we just go into it? I always wanted everything to be perfect. But learning to embrace the messiness, the unpredictability, that made me a better artist. This piece is not perfect, but it's full of emotion and movement. And that's more important right now. If you've ever been scared to start a painting because you didn't know what to do, try this. Paint with no plan. Let go of perfection and just create. Just go for it. It's about the process and the learning that you do with this. And today, as I stepped up to my paper and I almost thought I didn't want to do it, I thought, but I need to, because I dedicated myself to 30 days of painting and we're only on day 5. So let's keep going because we have 25 more days to go. So if you've ever been scared to start painting, just go for it. Paint with no plan. Share your pieces with me using 30 days of painting hashtag. Don't forget to subscribe because tomorrow's challenge will be wild.